Hello, welcome to Pacific Seafood Show. I'm here today with Jack Huang, the founder of Jack and the King's Ready to Go Meals. Mr. Huang,
Yeah.
what is today's festival? Could you please tell us more about it?
Actually, the Boston Seafood is a really famous show for seafood. And other people from all around the world, they go to join this seafood show. You know that there's a pandemic and many countries, they cannot travel to USA.
Yes.
But this show is very great. We also look at so many customers from Spain, from Africa, some from China, and all around the world, they both join this show. Yes.
That's amazing. How are you enjoying this show?
Actually, it's great, and especially my customers. This is the first time we do the ready cook show in the Boston Seafood, and some American guy and some Chinese people and some people they like our food, especially for our salmon dumpling and the rice cake. Yeah, and some Jews they like it a lot. That's great.
And what are your plans for the future? Do you have any other expos that are coming in?
Yeah. Boston Seafood is made for the seafood peoples. The American guy likes seafood, but also we try to sell to the restaurant peoples. So in the Chicago, they're the biggest national restaurant show in the May 21 to 24.
Founder of Jack and the King's Ready to Go Meals. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here I'm welcoming the president of the US-China Restaurant Alliance, Tony Hu. Welcome, Tony.
It's amazing. And just first time I come to Boston for the seafood show. Like this, it's kind of abalones.
Right, I love this dish.
Yeah, I love this very much. And Chinese people love seafood. Like all the seafood is all ready to cook. Not everybody, not every chef, not every restaurant knows how to cook those kind of stuff.
Right.
Also, in different cities, it's hard for them to import those kind of ingredients.
And I am here with the chairman of the US-China Restaurant Alliance, Eddie.
This is really the right timing for this market, that the labor is so shorted. So I think it's going to be very, very successful.
波士顿海鲜展览会，你觉得 Jack 先生和他的 Jack and Right Company 的有什么特别的？
现在整个美国劳工成本越来越高，以及未来的餐饮业的智能化，以及这种半制品化，这是未来的发展的趋势。我相信这样的趋势是未来的我们一起努力的方向。
Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to Jack and King Ready Meal Testing, the first step, Boston. Welcome to our booth and look at our ready meals. Okay, go follow with me. It's the Boston Seafood Show in 2022 because COVID-19 for the past 2 years. So this is the first year after COVID-19 open again. Let's look at it. How many people join with us?